Hi, my name is Ambreen and today I will show you how to make Keema Gobi, also known as minced lamb with cauliflower. So enjoy my video and make sure you do make lots of notes. Okay, to begin with, I'll be peeling one large onion. And then I'll be peeling one bulb of garlic. Right, I've washed my onion and I've washed my garlic. So now I'll be cutting my onion. Make sure you cut the onion quite fine. Okay, then you put your garlic in. Okay, moving on to the next bit, I'm going to put my flame on. I've washed my minced meat, so now I'm adding my mince in. Okay, now I'll be adding in my chilies, so you put the chilies according to your taste. Now I've added in some salt. That's again according to your taste. While I've been doing all this, I've had my kettle boiling. So now I've added some suka dhania, that's dried coriander. And now I'm adding in some boiling water, enough just to cover the minced meat. Make sure you mix it really well. Don't add too much water, you just need to add enough water to cover the mince because the onions are going to let out water. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on it and just let it cook. And this is what it's looking like so far. You can see the water is reducing really well. It's bubbling away. So try to mix it and try to mash the extra onions that are left. These onions will dissolve in there once you add the oil in and cook it. Okay, now I think my handi is ready for the oil, so you add in some oil. Okay, now I'll be adding in some crushed ginger. Now I'll be adding in some methi, dried methi. You get the nice aroma of the methi and the ginger. This is the best time to add in your ginger and your methi. You get a nice smell and a nice flavour in your cooking. As you can see, it's bubbling away, but it needs a bit more cooking because you want to keep the keema a little bit dry, and you want to cook it really well as well. Right, I've got some gobi here, some cauliflower, which I had frozen in the freezer because previously I bought a very big flower. So normally what I do is I normally use half and the other half I freeze. So it's come in handy now because I don't need to rush to the shops because I've already got some frozen cauliflower. Okay, I've added it into my mince and I'm going to cook it really well. Now you need some green chilies, so make a slit in the middle. Before you do that, wash your chilies. So 2 chilies are more than enough. Add them into your cooking. I find these chilies more tastier than the green chilies because you get a really nice flavour with these chilies. So you cook them really well so you can get a nice flavour out of the chilies. I've added in some coriander, fresh coriander. Again, with the coriander, you can freeze your coriander if you've bought too much. This is what it should be looking like. Can you see the water has evaporated and it's really nice and thick. So you keep cooking until you get that nice dark golden brown mince. At this stage of your cooking, the smell is amazing of the mince and the gobi. Roughly it will take you at least 1.5 to 1 hour 45 minutes to cook this dish. And this is my end product. You can have your gobi with some chapatis or you can have it with paratha. Thank you very much for watching Ambreen's Creations. I hope you really enjoyed my video and I hope my video has given you lots of ideas. In the mincemeat, you can add in any vegetables of your choice. The best combo with the mince is the peas, garden peas. I find garden peas very, very tasty in mince. You can always add in potatoes. Potatoes work really well with the mince as well. If you do add in those particular vegetables, do add in a little bit of water right at the end and just leave it on low heat to simmer for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You want to cook your potatoes really well, so if you put a little bit of water, it would make a bit of a difference in softening the potatoes. But other than that, you can use the same mixture of the mince for when you want to make samosas, or if you want to make spring rolls, if you want to make pastries, if you want to make noodles. So this mince you can use really for anything, but if you do put it in your spring rolls and samosas or pastries, you do need to keep your mince very dry, so make sure you cook it really well and you don't want to add in any water at the end. And please do add in some garam masala at the end, which I forgot to show you. So do add in half a teaspoon of garam masala. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and it would be lovely for a nice feedback of this video and what you thought of it. So thumbs up for my video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.